This is how to get a standard bank statement on the mobile app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. You may just need to look for the same options. Start by opening the Standard Bank app and signing in. Once you're in, select the account you want the statement for. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct account. From here, select Details. You'll usually find this near options like cards or transactions, depending on your layout. Next, go to Documents, then select View. After that, choose Stamped Statements. This is where official bank statements are stored. At this point, select whether you want a 3-month or 6-month statement. These are the standard options available in the app. Once the statement opens, select the available options for that statement and choose whether you want to download it or send it via email. This depends on how you need to use the statement. After that, complete any remaining on-screen steps. If you downloaded the statement, you'll find it in your device's Downloads folder. If you need statements further back than 6 months, select Previous Statements. From there, choose one from your history and then decide whether to download it or email it. If you don't see a download option or the statement you need isn't available in the app, you'll need to contact Standard Bank customer support for assistance. And that's it. That's how to get your Standard Bank statement on the mobile app. If this helped you, remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.